Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Daisy Love. Thank you so much for being here with me. And for today, let's talk a little bit about job readiness. Let's talk about three steps that you must focus on if you are looking for work. These days, the work field, the workforce is highly competitive. Employers are no longer looking for only individuals who meet their requirement. They are looking for individuals who are exceeding their requirements. So outside of what that particular company, business, organizations, whatever the title is having for their requirement, they want you to not only have that, but they also want you to be able to double it. They want you to have your own. They want you to excel outside of the requirement that they are looking for. So let's look into, oh, excuse me. So let's look into three steps that you must focus on if you are looking for work opportunity. The first step is to have a compelling resume. You must have a resume that is intriguing. You must have a resume that stands outside of the box. And we are going to dive deeply into resume writing because you understand that there are different formats for writing a resume. If you are a creative person, there is a format for you to write. If you are a professional, someone who's been in the work field for 20 plus years, there is a particular format for you. If you are fresh out of school or you are someone who doesn't have a lengthy job, you want to have a particular way to write your resume. The second step, you need to know how to apply for the right positions. A lot of the times, we are unsuccessful with at getting the job that we desire because we are not applying for the particular position that is for us. A lot of time we're looking at a position and we are thinking that we have the requirement or we are thinking that the position is for us. However, you may not have the correct fit. How do you apply for the right position for you? It's not to look at something and to tell yourself that I want to have this particular job. I am going to go in it. No, it is to actually look at it and look at your skill set and ask yourself if you actually have the skill set and if you excel in order to have this, in order to be able to apply for it. Now, the third step is to have a time schedule for all application. When you are applying for job, ladies and gentlemen, it is time consuming because you are constantly applying for a position. You are looking, you are applying. So this is why a lot of time we get overwhelmed because we are seeking job. We need the income, we need the cash. So we don't know what to do. We come one day and we apply to any and everything because we're looking at it like, listen, I just need a job. I just want the income. I just need the cash. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. If you know how to position yourself, if you know how to have a schedule, if you tell yourself that out of the week, I'm going to take 3 days out of the week and I am going to focus during these 3 days on applying for work position, you're not going to feel very overwhelmed, right? You're going to take it and it's going to be a lot better for you. So if you are someone who is looking for work opportunities and you need some support with your resume writing, with job interviewing skills, you need some support to, land the desired position. Don't forget, we also have our mentorship session that you can check out. Our registration is open. So submit your registration inquiries over at youthagencyinternational@gmail.com. I look forward to receiving your inquiries.